for school, Jordan.
Your voice.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't seem to have much of a voice today.
Can you breathe okay?
Yeah, I'm breathing okay. You guys ready for school?
Yeah.
Where's your sweatshirt, Mia?
Oh, yeah. Your voice.
I'm sorry.
Get some voice medicine.
I don't think they need voice medicine.
Let me see.
Get your backpacks and your lunches, guys. It's time to go.
Okay. Done.
All right, load up in the car. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you after school.
See you after school. Bye.
Bye. Guys, so even though I still don't have a voice, I decided it's probably better for me to get out and get some fresh air rather than just sit on the couch all day. So Jackson and I are out for our daily walk, and hopefully by the end of the day I won't be completely toasted, but I'm thinking that if I can get out and get some fresh air and act like I'm okay, then maybe everything will just return back to normal and I'll never actually feel terrible, which would be nice because nobody likes to feel terrible, right? So that's my plan. Go for a walk with the baby, feel better, enjoy my day if I can. I don't know. We'll see. Jackson wants to say hi. Here you go.
Hi guys. So we are walking today.
How come your lazy buns are sitting?
Cause my feet are hurting. And bye.
Okay, you guys, we walked probably a quarter of a mile from home. By the time we got there, my foot was killing me. I had decided to wear these shoes that I have that I thought, well, I'll just wear my old comfy ones, even though they're ugly and kind of torn, because they're comfy. So I discovered about quarter mile from here, they're not comfy. So I'm walking down the street and I noticed that I'm starting to limp. So I check my shoe, and sure enough, there's a sharp thing inside here cutting the back of my foot. Can you hear that? That's cutting the back of my heel as I'm walking. So I decided, you know what? This is not worth it. I'm gonna take these shoes home, trade into my new ones that I didn't want to wear in case it was wet out here. I'd rather get my new shoes wet if it rained than cut up my feet with these old ones. So these are so bad, they're actually going in here. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. It's totally not worth it. So now we're gonna be late because we had to come home. We're gonna be late to pick up Dad for lunch. But I would rather be late picking him up than to have blisters. So I guess Dad'll have to pick us up wherever we end up. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's start this again.
They smell the sandwiches.
So I made sandwiches for lunch today, guys. And Daddy decided that we should drive to the beach really fast and have some lunch because he had a long lunch today. So we came out here with the windows down and started eating our sandwiches, and I think somebody out here noticed that we had sandwiches.
No, somebody. Look at all these people here.
We put the windows up because they were trying to come in.
Never mind, these people don't have food.
Everyone's food.
Jeez.
This guy's like, no, I can still smell it.
You want it? Come here.
You want to bite? You want to bite? You want some?
I hate you people. Don't tease me that way.
You want some? You want to bite? You want to bite? Oh my God.
Oh, that's funny. Sorry there, you birdie. Oh, there's two.
Now there's two patiently waiting.
Yeah, but look at the
Look at his beak.
That will
one looks
cut.
mean.
That will cut through
You
the.
want to bite?
Oh great, you're gonna cut.
I just
mine.
don't want to bite.
You did that already, lady. You can fool me again.
I still want to bite. Anybody want to bite?
This one is thinking about it.
He's like, I already saw that not work, but...
You're gonna crack my window, man, my windshield.
Dad, just right. This way, Dad.
No.
Oh, why?
You'll
That would
scare
be
him.
mean.
You'll scare him.
Just give it up, dude.
You can't eat
Just
that.
give it up.
I promise you can't eat that.
Can't eat
This is
that.
a scientific experiment.
You can't eat that. Can we eat it?
How many times will they
Why
try?
is there bean in there?
Because the bean that is always in fruit. It's called a seed.
No one.
You have a bean in there, Dad? Why'd you put a bean
There's
in
a
your
bean
peach?
in my peach.
That's weird.
Eat the bean. Eat the bean.
No, you don't need the bean. Eat the meat.
No.
You don't have to eat the bean, silly.
Just eat the fruit part.
Eat the bean.
Look, he's still trying. He's like, no, that's mine.
He's not doing it, Dad. He's not
No.
acting on it.
Just thinking about it. Look. Maybe if I go soft.
Time to get known,
You're gonna wear your sweatshirt?
yeah.
Mia? I found you. How was school today?
Good.
Good. The boys are out barbecuing. Daddy decided he would take care of dinner so that I could just relax. I don't really feel super sick. I'm just kind of tired. So Daddy's cooking dinner. He's making cheeseburgers and hot dogs. You talk. I can't talk.
Okay.
Daddy's making cheeseburgers and hot dogs. There we go. Nope, just for a second. Cheeseburgers and hot dogs. Maybe just talk a little lower. Anyways, I don't feel super sick. I'm just tired. So Daddy's making dinner. She's home. Nano's home. The boys are out barbecuing. Do we cover everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna do much. We're not gonna do much tonight, but it looks like now it is time to eat. Food time. So we're having some ice cream. I was really thinking that if I just took it easy and didn't say anything for the evening, perhaps my voice would come back. That didn't happen. Oh. You hush. Nobody's talking to you. You hush. Nobody's talking to you.
You just talk normal.
Yeah, if I use my really cool voice, then I can sort of
No.
use my voice.
No, you what? Hey.
Hey.
Normal.
Hey, nobody's
No,
talking.
not even deep. Just normal. You said.
So how do you think I can get my voice back? What do you think will work?
The doctor's office.
No.
The ER.
No, it's not even painful. I'm not going to the doctor. It's just annoying. Jackson and Malia both have birthdays next week. So Jordan is telling me I have to get my voice back by next week because they won't stand for any of this singing.
No.
So,
If you don't get it fixed, yes.
so I don't get to sing them happy birthday if I don't get better. So Dad made me this concoction. Dad, what's in here?
That is honey and lemon.
Honey and lemon. Okay, cheers, guys. Let's see if this works. Is it gonna burn me? I'm afraid it's gonna be too hot. Whoa, that's sour. That's got a lot of lemon juice in it. So what did you guys think of those silly seagulls we saw at lunch? Wasn't that funny?
Yeah. What do you think about your voice?
Yeah, so the lime, or the lemon and honey did not do anything for my voice, you guys.
It actually did.
So did you
eat Yes, it did.
I did not drink it all because it started hurting my tummy and I didn't want to drink too much at once. So I'll drink the rest of it before I go to bed. And maybe if I do that and then don't drink any more water and don't talk anymore, maybe it'll be better by tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't know. It's not painful though, just so you guys know. It's not painful. It just sounds really annoying.
It makes me sad. that
It
you
just
have to
sounds
deal
annoying.
with
It's fine.
it. Sounds like it forces you.
I'm okay. Don't worry, buddy.
Uh.
Anyway, the seagulls were lots of fun. That was a fun little short trip to the beach. Just long enough to eat and turn around and come back. Did you guys have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. But I guess for now, it's probably time for you guys to just go to bed.
Yay! And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to make the channel strong, share it with your friends. And good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Poof, you're the Seagull 10 years sandwich.